I'm sorry, but you're going to need to speak to the building official.
What's a building official?
That's a great question. I'm Buddy Sean, and I'm the building official. Most people have heard of a building inspector. I'm above that. I run the building department. I'm the person who has final say on whether your project passes or fails, and I've been doing this in Florida for over a decade. When a contractor says the inspector was wrong, I'm the one they're appealing to. When a permit gets denied, the decision comes from my desk. Here's the problem. My son had an electrical issue at his house recently. He knew what to do, but most homeowners wouldn't, and a lot of them would turn to YouTube, find someone who also didn't know what they were doing, and follow that advice confidently all the way to a failed inspection. And that's if they even pulled a permit. The thing I hear constantly, a contractor fails an inspection and the first thing they do is tell the homeowner the inspector was wrong. The homeowner paid that contractor, they trust that contractor, so they believe it. You've been hearing one side of the story. This channel is the other side. No agenda, no contractor to protect, just the inspector's perspective from the person who actually signs off on the work. If you're a homeowner who just bought a house and you're not sure what requires a permit, what an inspection actually involves, or what to do when something goes wrong, this channel's for you. If you're a DIYer who wants to do the work right and pass the first time, this channel's for you. And if you're a contractor who wants to know what I'm looking for when I walk onto a job site, this channel's for you too. If you want the straight answer, not a guess, not a contractor covering his tracks, not a YouTube video from someone who's never been on the other side of an inspection, hit subscribe. New videos on Florida building code, permits, and inspections from the person who signs off on them. And if this is the kind of content you've been looking for, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps other people in Florida find this channel. I'm the building official. Welcome to the channel.